3, 2, 1. Wow. So I have turned on the product. So hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of a mist maker which I recently purchased from Amazon. So now, without wasting any more time, let's take a look at the product itself. In the package, the first thing which comes is this adapter. The adapter specification you can read from here. It is a 24 volt AC to DC adapter. So output is 24 volt and 1000 milliampere, which is 1 amperes. And made in China is written here. So obviously most of the chargers which is made in China itself. So in the back side you can see there is an LED which indicates it on or off, and 1 meter cable they have given. This is the adapter, how it looks. The next thing which you will see in the packing is the product itself. So this is how it looks. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LEDs. You can see from here the water comes out of this nozzle, and in the behind you can see there is a stand which gives the space for the water to go inside. So when you keep it like this, a slight of space should be required so that the water can take in from there and it can come out from here. And this is a sensor actually. Many people doesn't know what it is. So because if the water limit is not until here, at least the product won't turn on. So what many people does is they will buy the product, they will keep it, and then they will tell it is not working. Actually what happens is this sensor should be submerged in the water. The water level should be above the sensor. Then only it will start working. When it is till here, the product won't work. So what it does is, it is a sensor which tells that enough water is there for the product to work correctly. I'll be showing that also in the working video. So and here they have given, I guess it is a 1.5 meter wire cable. So here the adapter cable will get connected and it will power the device. So now, without wasting any more time, let's take a look at how this product works. Now, without wasting any more time, I will turn on the product. So 3, 2, 1. Wow. So I have turned on the product. So once it turns on, this is how it looks. It looks really good actually. So you can see it just instantly starts producing mist. One more thing I want to tell you guys is, I told you about the sensor. So I'll show you how it works. I'll remove the mist for the second, and see, right the moment I remove it, see, it turns off. I removed it from it, it turned off. I placed it back, it turned on. This happens because I told you, no. See, wait, because I'm holding it in one hand. Let me hold it correctly. See, when I'm placing back this much, if I reach also, nothing will happen. It will only turn on when this sensor is under the water. See, you can see that. See, when the sensor touches the water, see, this much water if you are keeping and you expect it to work, it won't work. So once the sensor reaches, it will start working. You can see that. I'll place it. When the sensor touches the water, see, it started working. So this is the product, guys. I hope you guys like the video and it helped you guys. And still, if you guys have any doubt, people can always comment on the comment section below, and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.